Neurons that fire together, wire together. That I learned from Dr. Dan Siegel, where he tried to explain, whatever our child is seeing, hearing, or feeling is helping child to build some connection in the brain, and they are more likely to do the same thing when it happened to them in different situation. For example, if our child misbehave, doesn't listen, made a mistake, didn't do well in the exam, and instead of listening to them, if we start yelling at them, getting upset at them, try to advise them, you should have done this, I told you not to play on the video game that night long, not to hang out with these kind of friends, see, now you mess up and I don't know what to do. So if we bring that kind of the behavior, which although our intent as a parent, our intentions are right, we want our child to see what is right, what is wrong, we want our child to succeed. But if we start yelling, screaming, shaming, blaming, creating more guilt, creating some punitive action when they misbehave, so remember, neurons that fires together, so neurons of making a mistake, neurons are brain cells, so neurons of making a mistake and neurons of being yelled at, being screamed at, and so those are fired together so many times, then they become wired together. So what does it mean? Let's say if they are in school and if another child did a mistake and mean to them, they are more likely to yell them back, scream them, do some punishment, because with their experience, neurons of being yelled, being wrong, are fired with being punitive. And so so automatically when they see someone is doing something wrong to them or being mean, they are likely to either blaming, shaming, or guilt. So that's why it's important for us as a parent to help our children to build strong connection in the brain that helps them to be kind, be empathic, be more understanding, be non-judgmental when things are not going the way that we want to be, or when things are a little bit more difficult.